Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, 50 Fine Health. Okay, here I have some butternut squash that I previously cut up. I do have a video that I will link below with the ingredients. But I will say on this one, I did have my oven preheated to 400 degrees and I let these butternut squash stay in the oven for about 30 minutes. Now here I have a piece of fresh catfish and I have some asparagus here that I'm going to wash. I rinsed off this piece of catfish and I'm just going to pat it dry. Now I'm just going to take this piece of catfish and cut it in half because I don't want to cook the catfish whole like this in my air fryer. Now I'm just going to take a half of a capful of the olive oil, pour it over the fish, and I'm going to smear it with my fingers, make sure it's evenly coated. So when I put my Louisiana fish fry on there, it will stick. Real nice. And since the fish fry is already seasoned, I will not need to put any salt or pepper on the fish. Now I know it seems like I'm cutting off a lot of this asparagus, but this part of the asparagus I do not like. It's just tough. I just don't like it. So, I mean, you can keep it if you want to, but I'm throwing that part away. So here's my fish fry, Louisiana fish fry. I'm just going to make sure it's evenly coated. Now I did add a little bit of oil on my asparagus. And I put salt and pepper. And then I made sure it was mixed all over the asparagus, the salt and pepper. Now I'm going to preheat my Ninja air fryer for about 3 minutes. You really don't have to preheat this particular one, but sometimes I like to preheat it, okay? Okay, so now I'm ready to put my pieces of fish in. And I'm going to let these stay in here for about 15 minutes. About 7 minutes on each side. And I am going to spray them. I'm going to spray each side. Spray this side, and then after 7 minutes, I'm going to turn them over and I'm going to spray that side and let them finish cooking for 7 minutes. Now I do have my electric skillet on about 250. And I'm just going to put just a little bit of water and cover these. It's gonna cook for about 3 minutes on each side. Okay, I'm just gonna check on my fish. I'm gonna flip it and spray it on the other side. And finally, my vegetables are done. Wow, look at that butternut squash. It's baked like perfectly. Nice and chewy on the outside and very tender on the inside. I mean, I'm telling you that you guys stop walking past this vegetable. Every time I go to the grocery store, it is like a load of it in there. I'm talking about it's a lot of butternut squash that's not getting cooked, not getting touched. And I'm telling you, this is a really delicious vegetable. Okay? So I'm just gonna put my food on the plate. Look at that. Crispy, golden, crunchy catfish, sweet and savory, butternut squash, and nice, tender asparagus. I had to put a couple of drops of hot sauce on my fish. Very healthy, very tasty. You guys try it. Try it. Try that vegetable. This is a perfect, perfect, perfect combination. Guys, you guys have a good night. Stay safe. Have a good night. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.